Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, I would like to show you how you will download Rapid Composer 2019. It's the last updated and how you will activate for permanently use. This application gives you a feature as we know that without having any kind of instrument, of course, you will be able to compose according to your choice any music. So here I would like to show you some trick by that you will be able to activate this application for permanently. So just I will go for run as an administrator. See, actually I will give you below the description box there is a download link. Yes, just you have to click there and directly you will be able to download this application with key. Just you have to extract with the help of the Vina application because it will be in a zip file, and after extracting then just go for similar procedure that I follow in these video tutorials, and if you implement then definitely you will be able to use these applications for permanently in your PC or laptop. So let's start. Run as an administrator. Just I will go for next here. Then I will accept all the agreement. Then I will go for next. Then I will select yes, create a desktop icon. Then see, while you're installing these applications, your PC or laptop that should be offline. I mean that shouldn't be connect with internet. So now I will go for yes, launch a Rapid Composer. So I will here finish. Now it's asking that before using Rapid Composer you need to unlock your copy. Enter the key code and press the activate buttons. Now this is a very important. Yes, that's how you will activate it, because until unless you will not activate, yeah, if you don't have the key then you won't be able to yes use these applications. So now I will go for here key generator. Go for run as administrator. Then I will click. Now I will go for here yes key generator. Now I will just copy and I will go for exit. Then I will here yes control plus V, I mean direct I will press yes key. Then I will go for here activate. Now it's a saying here, see now it's activated. It's a saying welcome to yes Rapid Composer. As the first step, please set up use MIDI and audio device under the setting and tab on the left. Yes, if you use yes BSTI plug into, so these all are so message yes appears only once time. So now it's activated for permanently. So now I will show you in a roughly the feature of these applications here. See, this is your file. If you would like to import or export any audio and file, so this is your file, this is your composer, this is your tools, and this is your setting. In setting, see, this is the audio feature In audio, here select your audio device. Here this is audio. Yes, API. So internal, yes, MME, window directed sound here, ASIO. Now, yes, sample rate. Now see, here you can set up the frequency of that. So normally we utilize here, yes, 44,100. Then audio device here, just I will click. Now see, this is your audio device here. Now this is one your preview, this is your 4, of course. Now see, here this is your, yes, phrase move mode, and this is your scale note. So these all are a feature. This is a sampler, my dear. Here see, any sampler you would like to play, then just click here and go for here. See, this is your preview, and if you would like to play, then go for here. Now it's a playing, and it's your 4 stop button. This is your, yes, interpret and detections. Here this is your phrase editor, this is your progression editor, this is your area tools, BPM setup. Of course, if you would like to beat and beat per measure, of course, that is in a short form we are saying that a BPM. So there are various kind of the, of course, functions, and according to your choice you can, yes, compose any kind of the, of course, here see now music. So this is your scale for the piano. Of course you can arrange, and beat is also given, snap is also given, length is also given, of course, and view option and code option that has been also given. Here see, template, of course, idea, instrument. If you would like to play, of course, acoustic piano, yeah, of course, a bright piano, so electric grand piano, yeah, yes, honky tonk. So just you have to come on an instrument, and according to the, yes, in instrument, electric piano, so all kind of the piano, guitar, of course, just marimba, of course, xylophone, just I mean tubular bell. So there are various kind of the, all kind of the instrument has been given here according to, of course, if you have the knowledge of the any instrument, of course you can the compose here music according to. Now see, slap bars, yes, synth bars one. So see, violin, and of course especially viola, cello, these all I have given, all kind of the feature has been given here according to, of course you can choose the instrument. And here just go for snap selection, this is your beat selection, this is your length of that, and view option you can go for. And of course I have already shown you here that if you would like to, here that how you will play, and that's one I have already mentioned here. Just one thing I would like to show you here, you know, I will come in a setting. In setting I have to go, you know, here this is your ASIO, this is your internal ASIO. So it's a internal ASIO. Now MME here, yeah. If you would like to hear, see guys, if you would like to this music you want to hear, yeah, listens, yes, through your home theater, yeah, through Bluetooth device, then here you have to go in a MME. Here of course, audio API in, you have to select MME, then you have to go here audio device. Now this is my Bluetooth, this is of course computer, a speaker, and this is your Microsoft Sound Mapper output. So I will go for here now. Now here, yes, sample rate I will select. Here, normally actually we select here of course a 44,100. So I have already selected here. Now 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 see guys, now according to your choice you can go for, now see. So yes, you can select the code and you can listen, and according to of course your requirement you can elect here. Suppose electric piano, so select here and then go for. Now see, just a click where there you would like to put a chord. As a normally, just roughly I am telling you. Yeah, this is instrument progression. Now see, this is your progression of course, CMSZ, so all kind of the features. Just now see, ballad has been also given here. Yes, power chord in a B, that is also given. So this is audio tool, this is mixture, of course, and this is MI DI, and this is your history, and this is your audio tools here. Now variation to use, of course, phrase to use, this all section has been given here. Progression editor has been also given. This is a C, D, of course, major, root, bass, of course, all has been given here. So just to see. And see, any music you would like to hear, just for example, this sampler here I have taken is sample 3. Suppose here, yes, fifth one also I would like to play here, and sixth one sampler I would like to have here. Now see, I am making here one music here, suppose. Now see guys, now I would like to play. So just you have to come in a compositions and select any sampler, then go for, this is your electrical piano. Here just on it, then go for play. Now here, wait, yeah. Now now here, now see. here disable note cloning has been given. Color note, of course, according to your choice, you can elect here. Here now see guys, here this is your phrase editor. Yeah, this is your phrase editor, and this is your composition. So now see, yeah, see, this is your phrase, sorry, this is your actually composition, but that's you would like to edit, then you have to go in by clicking 2 times here guys, just to see. Suppose I would like to edit this sampler, then I have selected this sampler. Now according to your choice, you can have the music here and select. So suppose I would like to just make a, now see, this code I would like to have here, this code I would like to have here. So now 1 C4 scale I would like to have. Now I would like to review, so just press the left mouse button and just select. So now see, so according to your, of course, choice, you can just I mean select the sampler. So suppose I would like to select the hash, for example, as a sampler for sampler 2, then select, and just you have to select the sampler in here in just a composition. So I would like to have here, then see, suppose I would like to edit, then you have to click 2 times, then you will come on a phrase editor. Then once again go for here, then if you have selected that, and by selecting, of course, you can go for 1 2 3 4 5 something like that, total whole song music, and then after you have to go in here in a file, then you would like to export, then go for export on a desktop, yeah, anywhere, then this music will be of course converted in of course there is a mp3 mp4, yeah, whatever in that especially format you would like to. So just my motive was here actually here to how to activate this for permanently use. So now it's finally activated, and of course go for just see about, and you can see here. So this is all about in this video tutorials, and if this video has been benefited to you in any way for downloading, yeah, in installations, yeah, of course, yeah, to know the some specific functions, yeah, features of these applications, then please like and subscribe my channels and leave the comment below the description box, sorry, below the comment box. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you guys, have a great time.